Hey there, English learners. Have you ever been confused about when to use at, on, or in? You're not alone. These tiny prepositions can cause big confusion. But don't worry, in today's video, we're breaking down the difference between at, on, and in a way that's super easy, simple, and actually makes sense. Whether you're talking about time, place, or direction, we've got you covered with examples, tricks, and visuals to help it all click. So grab your notebook and let's make English learning fun and frustration-free. Let's dive right in. We use at in the following ways. At 7 o'clock, at 9:30, at midnight. I start class at 9 o'clock. The banks close at 4:30. We say on Tuesdays, on Wednesdays, on 12th May, on 5th July, on New Year's Day. For example, I will see the doctor on Monday. I don't eat an egg on Tuesday. The party is on 25th October. We use in the following ways. In January, in March, in 2000, in 2015, etc. In summer, in winter. I'm going to Delhi in August. John left college in 2008. The park is lovely in spring. We are going on a picnic at the weekend. I can't work at night. Tina will be at home at Christmas. We are renovating our house at the end of July. The teacher is busy at the moment. We always use kala in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. They go for a walk in the morning. We rest for an hour in the afternoon. What do you do in the evening? Does Paul take classes in the evening? I always have a cup of tea in the morning. We use on Wednesday morning, on Friday afternoon. I am buying a new car on Wednesday afternoon. They will play cricket on Thursday morning. Are they having a party on Saturday evening? We are having a drawing competition on Monday morning. We do not use at on and before while you deal low. This morning, this evening, last night, last week, next Friday, next month, every week. Let's fill in the blanks. We do not use at on in before some words. For example, is she going to school this morning? The park was crowded last week. I am going to France next month. I read a book every day. He was late for the class last Monday. Sue will meet her friend next Wednesday. All right, friends, I hope the difference between at, on, and in is clear now. Remember, use at for specific points, at the door at 5 p.m. Use on for surfaces or specific days, on the table on Monday. Use in for enclosed spaces or longer periods, in the box, in December. Here's a quick recap sentence to help you remember. I'll meet you at the bus stop on Monday in the morning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Vedas for more easy grammar lessons. Drop a comment if you want more examples or have questions. I'd love to help. Until next time, keep learning Keep growing. See you in the next video.